I received your vinyl repair kit yesterday and immediately put it to use. I had a 21-inch tear along the seam on the tube used to inflate the bounce house. I thought this one was a goner, but then my wife found your kit online and we gave it a try. We ordered the 5-foot roll. The kit included everything I needed to make the repair, including clear instructions, which are always a plus. I laid the bounce house out on a nice flat surface and prepared the area to be repaired using the included alcohol pads. After a few minutes of cleaning, I sized out a piece approximately 2 feet long. I was happy with the overall width of this patch as it easily covered the entire area I had to fix. The backing peeled away with ease and I began affixing the patch as described in the instructions. Application was a breeze and took less than a minute. Once it was on there, I rolled the edges and smoothed out the entire area as best as I could, applying pressure to make a good seal. The patch stuck the first time and did not need to be held for very long at all. I laid the bounce house in the sun, making sure the patch was fully exposed. I did this for about 30 minutes while I worked on some other projects. 1 hour and 15 minutes after the patch was applied, I fired up the blower and, much to my enjoyment, the repair was a success. I couldn't be happier with this product.